Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Bing AI chat. It means chat GPT for free, right? Chat GPT 4 I mean, right? So basically, if you don't know that Bing is owned by Microsoft and Microsoft are heavily invested in OpenAI and OpenAI and ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI. That's why ChatGPT 4, which is paid actually, that is integrated in Bing AI and it is free for now. So what you have to do, you have to just go to Google and search for Bing AI and search for it. Now here you will get this option of Microsoft Copilot in Bing. So if you're using a Microsoft Edge, then you will get the integrated. If you're using a Windows, then of course you will get it integrated in your Windows. But if you're using a Mac or different devices, then definitely you can just go to Microsoft Bing and the steps which I've shown you. Make sure you are inside the Copilot, and here you can use Microsoft Bing AI, right? So this is a say thing. For example, I can just you can just use it however you want, right? Essay on AI, right? So basically it just works exactly how you use ChatGPT, right? And here how it does, and this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.